Hi everyone, this is your boss Mom V, and I create videos about work from home tips, freelancing lifestyle, and make money online tips. So, if you're interested with this topic, just keep on watching! Hey everyone, so for today's video, we're going to talk about how to find VA jobs and mga legit work from home jobs via LinkedIn. Ito yung mga remote work, mga work from home opportunities, or yung mga online jobs na pwede mong mahanap sa platform na ito, which is LinkedIn. Kung hindi mo pa alam yung LinkedIn or hindi ka pa aware sa LinkedIn, then this video is right for you. So, if ready ka na, then let's dive in. So, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam kung ano yung LinkedIn, isa rin isang social media platform na gaya ng Facebook. But this one is more focused siya sa mga employment, businesses. So, kung professional ka, dito ka pupunta sa LinkedIn para maghanap ng mga opportunities. And if company ka naman na hiring, is dito ka rin pupunta sa LinkedIn to create your profile para maghanap ng mga employees. So, more of the business side siya and employment side na social media. So, download the LinkedIn, you just go to www.linkedin.com or pwede rin siya sa phone, no? I-download mo lang yung app na LinkedIn and mag-sign up ka lang. So, how to sign up sa LinkedIn? Punta ka lang sa linkedin.com and then you click join now. And if you have an email or phone number, then you have to create a password and just click agree and join. And para nga lang siyang Facebook, no, na i-verify mo lang yung details mo and then you will have your own account on LinkedIn. So, once you're signed up in LinkedIn, meron ka ng sarili mong profile. Of course, pumunta ka sa iyong profile and then i-update mo siya. And it's very important na magkaroon ka yung mga job titles mo, ilagay mo dyan, and yung mga about section. So, make sure na may mga keywords dyan na like, what do you offer, what do you do? For example, I'm a virtual assistant, I provide general administrative support, e-commerce support. So, it's up to you, no, kung ano yung iyong description. And then, make sure to input yung mga experience kung meron ka, education, interest here, meron din, pwede rin. And skills, pwede mo ilagay dyan yung mga skills mo. So, pretty much para rin siyang, profile lang din ng Facebook. And here, once you have an account, it's better na magkaroon ka ng mga connections. No, yun yung connections, parang ipa-follow mo yung mga tao. So, if you have friends, parang automatic lalabas siya based dun sa email address mo. And then, you need to do network, no? So, sa network is more on yun nga, yung magpa-follow ka ng mga tao, yan, like yan, may mga, people you may know, tapos i-follow mo sila. And if you're targeting for clients naman, yung mga work from home companies, so, better na yung mga companies na alam mong hiring, i-follow mo or mag-connect ka sa kanila. It's easy lang naman to connect, just click on connect, like that. Ganyan. So, ayan. So, better na marami kang connections dito sa LinkedIn kasi nagmamatter siya until mahanap mo yung iyong client or yung mga work from home na companies na hiring today. So, pag meron namang like ito, meron sa aking nag-i-invite na i-accept ko yung kanyang connection, ito. As you can see, staffing and recruiting. So, recruitment agency or BPO something. Ayan. So, sila na mismo ang maghahanap sa'yo kapag meron ka ng LinkedIn account. So, better na yung profile mo talaga is that i-optimize mo siya. Like, for example, is ilagay mo virtual assistant. Kung e-commerce virtual assistant ka, anong klase kang virtual assistant? And by then, yung mga recruiter na kasi and mga companies is usually, naghahanap sila dito sa search ng mga potential na hiring nila. And then, sila na mismo yung magre-reach out sa'yo. For example, this one, ito, direct client to na nag-approach na sa akin that she is looking for a virtual assistant. And also this one, hiring din to na company. And then, sila na yung nag-approach. Hindi ako yung nag-approach sa kanila. So, it's better na, ayan nga, yung connections mo dito sa LinkedIn is mag-follow ka na ng mga companies or yung mga recruitment agencies na alam mong eventually may potential na i-hire ka someday. So, once that you have already set up connections and set up your profile and stuff like that, and you already optimize your profile, by the way, itong LinkedIn, meron din siyang paid version, meron din siyang, or yung pro version, meron din siyang yung free. Ang ginagamit ko is free lang. Yung pro, hindi ko pa siya na-try, yung premium nila, may bayad kasi siya. Pero, if you're starting pa lang naman, you can just try yung free version. And, actually, naka-free lang ako pero marami nang nag-approach sa akin ng mga recruiters and mga companies and direct clients, no, to offer a job or VA jobs, stuff like that. And so, let's proceed na doon sa how to actually find work from home opportunities and VA jobs dito sa LinkedIn. So, merong dalawang ways for you to find yung mga direct clients and work from home opportunities. Kunyari ako, virtual assistant, so I'm aiming for direct client. So, usually dito, meron itong options na to jobs. You simply click that one jobs. And then you just type yung, kung ang target mo is mga work from home talaga, yung company work from home and the remote jobs talaga, hindi siya freelance, then I would suggest, click mo dito or i-type mo yung remote o kaya yung work from home. Mga ganyan. And as you can see, yan, lalabas na yung mga hiring dito sa gilid. So, see? Make sure lang na hindi siya yung sobrang tagal, like 7 days ago pa or 1 month ago. So, pwede mo ring i-filter out yan, like past week lang or past 24 hours. So, wag na tong past month kasi sobrang for sure sarado na yung or close na yung job opportunity na yan. So, past week tayo. Ayan. So, as you can see here, ayan, ito mga agencies to. I suppose mga agencies to na hiring. So, i-click-click mo lang yan sa tingin mo na bagay sa'yo o ito yung hinahanap mo na work from home. Like, for this one, merong part-time content writer. So, may mga full-time, part-time, may freelance din here. So, it's up to you kung alin dyan yung bet mong mahanap. So, kung virtual assistant lang yung gusto mo, of course, type in virtual assistant. And pwede mo rin palang i-filter out yung location. For example, this one, gusto mo yung local lang na virtual assistant. Usually, ang lumalabas dito is mga agencies, no? So, pwede ka rin i-filter out mo siya. Ang gusto mo is Central Luzon lang, Calabar Zone, ganon. Pwede rin country. Yan. So, it's up to you, no? Kung you are aiming for USA na kasi remote work naman to, no? So, yan. As you can see, ayan, maraming lalabas na virtual assistant post. Pumunta lang muna tayo sa Philippines. Ayan. So, here, mga virtual assistant, pwede rin ang i-type mo work from home. Yung mga keywords na alam mong gagamitin ng mga agencies and companies, ayan, kung hanap mo is remote work na full-time, ayan, ito 14 hours ago lang na na-post, ayan, you can easily click on easy apply, ganyan, and then next mo lang, pwede ka mag-upload ng resume, so, yeah, hindi ko kasi ginagamit to, I don't apply sa mga companies and agencies, direct client ako. So, yan yung isa is pupunta ka sa job section. Again, sa job section. And then, i-filter out mo dito yung work from home, virtual assistant, remote work. And then, isa-isahin mo, i-filter out mo yung date niya, which is past week lang. Then, the other way for you to find is dito ka, mismo sa home. And then, dito sa search, pwede mong i-type yung virtual assistant. Kasi dito sa isa is more on yung jobs lang talagang lalabas. Ngayon, dito ka sa home and then virtual assistant. Ayan. So, kung ano yung lalabas na search result, pwede rin post. Ibig sabihin yung mga post ng mga tao na we're hiring. or virtual assistant. As you can see yan, 2 days ago, pwede rin ilagay mo, we're hiring. Yung mga keywords na alam mong usually ipopost ng mga job agencies or companies. So as you can see here, ito, we're hiring. Okay, so isa pang tip na mabibigay ko sa inyo, if you want to find direct client, o kunyari, virtual assistant ka, kagaya ko, and direct client, yung gusto mo, hindi agencies, hindi company. Ganito yung usually ginagawa ko sa LinkedIn is, of course, sa search is, kung sino yung target ko. Kunyari, e-commerce, kasi Shopify VA ako. So, e-commerce business owner, ita-type ko, and then, ita-type ko people, or i-click ko yung people, and then yung locations. Usually, ang target ko is United States and or United Kingdom, so it's up to you kung alin dyan. And usually, ayang mga yan is, ipa-follow ko or i-connection ko, and then i-message ko. As you can see here, this one, hindi ko siya ma-message kasi kailangan premium yung account mo. But it's okay, meron namang mga connections na free lang naman, hindi mo kailangan mag-premium. So, for this one, e-commerce business owner, una muna is, i-connect ko sila, add a note, a simple hi, how are you, yung simple pitch mo to connect with them na I'm a Shopify VA or an e-commerce VA and I would love to connect with you, ganon, and then isi-send mo sa kanya. So, para lang, makita niya na yung intention mo to connect with this person or this particular person kasi baka potential client mo yan, is that para maisip ka niya na, VA to. O minsan, nagre-reply sila agad na, hi there, gano'n. Do you know how to do this, that. And then, yun, instant na direct client mo na siya. So, everyday, nagko-connect ako about 5 connections, 5 to 10 connections. And then, I consistently do valuable post on my account about virtual assistant, hashtag, lagi kong may hashtag na virtual assistant, Shopify VA. In that way, kasi is kapag may mga client na dito naghahanap ng virtual assistant nila sa LinkedIn, ito-type lang kasi nila yan. And then, dahil consistent yung pagpo-post ko dito, like yung sa pagpo-post mo sa FB mo, diba? Is yung keyword is napupunta dito, or na mapafind ng client mo. And if may connections kayo, then eventually, ikaw agad yung makikita niya dito sa kanyang itong feeds, diba? Then, dahil ang post ko is about Shopify VA, virtual assistant, doing admin support, ganun. Kung ano yung valuable post mo. And then, dun ka niya mapapansin na, this one pala is a virtual assistant. Okay, may message ko to. Like nga dito sa itong mga nagme-message sa akin. Ayan, so, feeling ko is na-search nila ako dito sa LinkedIn. That's why, ayan, nag-offer sila sa akin ng mga, like itong post na to recently lang to, na nag-look siya ng Shopify VA. But unfortunately, is that I don't accept full-time kasi gusto ko part-time hours lang and as much as possible, flexible hours. So, yep, that's it. That's it for today's video. I hope na may natutunan kayo sa ating bagong video for today. And I'm inviting everyone, yung mga aspiring VA dyan, yung mga VA moms, work from home moms, and freelancer moms. Meron tayong Facebook group na create. It's called VA Moms PH. I-search mo lang yung VA Moms PH sa Facebook and mag-join ka sa ating group. So, see you there!
Your friend, you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never say